Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you guys are all having a terrific week. And in today's video, we are talking about the best curbside deals over at Walgreens. What is that $10 word mean? Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting it in for an order for pickup at store. You're driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. It is that easy. A lot of people prefer to shop this way. It's just easier to bypass those paper register rewards, which can be a pain. And that's what we're investigating is triple stacking certain deals in this video today. There will be some traditional deals at the very end, but for the most part, we're looking at triple stacking deals. You're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store with register rewards. You want to see what you're buying, so on and so forth. There are some deals in yesterday's video. I do have a larger basket that is curbside as well for those $3 tides. Everything else, though, is in-store deals. Check it out. I will link it at the end. Deal number one, curbside. Okay, so for this one, we are triple stacking. So we're going to need the 15 back when you spend 45. Have that one loaded. I believe most cards got them last Wednesday, so you just load them at the top of your digital coupons folder. A 5 back when you buy 3 Olay products. Make sure you have that one loaded. And the final booster that we have is a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care products. So have that friend loaded as well. Sorry, it's a little bit cut off. It's just the way I screenshotted it. Now, see how this is showing 1, 2, and then the digital coupon. That's how you know you're picking up the right items. You just go below a little bit to just kind of investigate. First item we're going to be grabbing is going to be an assortment of the 3 Olay body washes. Currently, on top of this promotion, there's also $4.50 back on IBOTTA. So grabbing just an assortment of the regular body wash, the bar soap, and then the Olay ribbons at $8. So that'll be $24, and we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon along with the 2 promotions that are stacking for this little friend. We're also going to be tossing in 3 of the $5 crests, and that's working in concert with the buy 3 get $5 back, and we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that's also coming off for this product, which is also super duper. And the final items are just miscellaneous items, high value coupons attaching. We have a $4 off the $4.99 product. If you can't track these down, always a thought might be throwing in that larger Dawn with the $2 digital or one of the larger Tide Pods for $12.99 with the $3 digital. But I'm going with the $4.99 scent beads with the $4 digital and these Tide Pods with the $1 digital. Alternatively, you could also get the liquid Tide if you want. So it's in either or. And then just to show you guys our Magic Chorus line here. And I did go with WAG 10 for this one. It seemed like the one that would attach. And just a gorgeous chorus line of a lot of coupons. So we're not unhappy about that. So the overall total here is $48.98. Subtracting the 2, it's $46.98. We have $15 in digital coupons melting off. So with your debit or credit card, you're going to pay $34.80 and you're getting back $25 in Walgreens cash. This is just a great deal any way you slice the pie. Ask for a receipt as well because you're going to get an additional $4.50 back from IBOTTA. Please make sure you get that receipt so you can get your $4.50 back. It's just such a great deal any way you look at it. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is another stacking deal. It's this friend. And my understanding is that the spend 35 to get back the $10 register reward was not working on Sunday in store. A lot of people were having issues with it. So this is definitely the way to do it. So the 15 back when you spend 45, the first slide, along with the 5 back when you buy 3 on dental care products. That's what we're going to be going with for this basket. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of the Venus and Gillette razors. We have a $5 and a $3. When you buy 2 online, you're getting back $8 in Walgreens cash, which is really something. So just an assortment, like whatever attaches for you. I know those $8 ones are probably going to be really hard to find. I was certainly having some issues trying to track them down. And then 3 of these $5 crests with the 5 off 3, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 of these friends. And the final 2 items, again, if you want to sub out like a larger Tide Pod, you can do that, or Gain, Flings, or whatever. $4.99, we have a $1 digital. And then the last is the scent beads for $4.99 with the $4 digital. I know with this little friend, it's not at every store. It's just kind of like larger stores that have it on their site, which is really bizarre. But yeah, so maybe the Dawn or the Tide would be an easier sub out. And then just to show you the gorgeous chorus line here, all of the coupons coming off, and then using the code WAG10 for an additional $1.60 off. Not bad. And then just to show you, the overall total is $47.96. Subtracting $1.60, it's $46.36. You have $18 in digital coupons melting off. So with tax, $31.14, and you're getting back $28.47 in Walgreens cash. Again, class, pay with your debit or credit card because this is a spend booster. A lot of moving parts with this. It basically makes your entire cart completely free if you're not factoring in the tax. And I know there's like 4 or 5 states where you do not pay tax. So this is just a tremendous basket. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3. This is the final one that we're doing with this monster booster. But I know that when this shows up, a lot of you like to get skincare or this specific product, so that's what we're going with. Unfortunately for the Olay skincare, not a lot of good digital coupons, so we're going with the Oral-B IO for $59.99. We have a 10 off of 1 digital coupon, so that is certainly speaking our language. Now, this is a weird product because it's actually giving back $30 in Walgreens cash. 15 back for spending 45, and then for spending 50, you're getting an additional $15 back, giving you $30 back. Hopefully you're following what I'm saying. If you look below the Oral-B IO2, this should be populating, so you see there's 2 different promotions, boom and boom, showing up for this product, so it's just fantastic. Now, just to show you guys, there it is, the $10 digital melting off, along with the promo code WAG10, so that's a little something. The overall total for this, guys, is $59.99. So subtracting 5, you're at $54.99. So for the spend 50 to earn back 15 and the spend 45 to earn back 15, you are there. A little bit of tax, a $10 manufacturer melting off. This is a larger out of pocket. You're going to pay $48.29. But you're getting back $30 in Walgreens cash. So not a bad little deal. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're doing 2 different spend boosters on this deal. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4, and this is to grab 2 of the Batiste dry shampoos, and I know a lot of you have a lot of interest with this. I did try to grab a $17 and a $12, but only 1 coupon would come off, so that's a little bit of a sorry Charlie for you. But 2 of these, they're buy one, get one free, and that dollar digital coupon is melting off. When you go to pick up your order, please make sure you ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt, because I have a feeling IBOTTA is going to give us a rebate for this one. WAG10 taking an additional $1.15 off, plus our dollar digital. So that's at least trying to make something out of nothing right there. Overall total for this is $12.49. WAG10 taking a $1.15 off. We have 68 cents in tax and a dollar digital. So $11.02. Use up to $10 in Walgreens cash. Pay $1.02. And you're getting 2 beautiful dry shampoos, and if IBOTTA might have a rebate, that would be really nice. The final deal we're looking at is with the Coke products. They're buy 2, get 2 for free. So 2 for $23.98. As I'm in Michigan, I have to pay like a really hefty $1.20 recycling fee on each 12 pack. So the final total will be a little bit more for me. But if you don't have those recycling fees, it's going to be like $23. You can use up to $20 in Walgreens cash. If you're having some people over for your Labor Day, I mean, this would just be a smart thing to stock up. Or if you like to have Coke in the house, like why not? Just a great thing to stock up. And if you need some snacks, the Doritos are 2 for $8. So if you wanted to do a deal with that, also not a bad little dealio this week. That's it for this video. Yesterday's video is linked right here if you want to check it out, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.